All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol GDLNF, currently traded at 1180. This one was brought to us by Pomestone. The last time we looked at this one was going to be on the 8th. If we look back here, where are we at? Give you guys a good idea about that. Okay, so it's going to be right here in this area, that candles. The last time we looked at it, I said watch for 1-2 to hold. Resistance at 1.5, just needs more volume. It's a really, really nice stock. I mean, I'm not just saying that because, I know that Palmstone can really pick out some nice ones, especially long term. It really is. I mean, if you look in the long term here, especially going back to July of last year, it's just been a nice steady up. The only problem is that it lacks the volume. Once in a while, you get a big volume spike of, looks like about 4,000 shares traded. That's a big volume, or 264. I'm sorry, I was on the wrong one. So it looks to be about where you guys get about maybe a quarter to a 500,000 shares traded. But the recent days, though, the volume's picked up and now it's dropped off a little bit again. Right now, it's got 9,000 shares traded. On Friday, it had 24,000 shares traded. I would definitely keep an eye on this one for a nice move off this 30-day simple moving average. Every time it gets down to here, it really nice. It likes to bounce off of here. Now, the only thing, like I said, it just needs more volume. Coming back into the 20-day simple moving averages, which is right here, the 1,253. Watch for a bounce off of that to hopefully push through that. Because if you guys push through that 20 and 10-day simple moving average, the momentum might start picking up. Because you're going to be above everything else, and you see what happens here. Every time you get above those moving averages, it starts moving off of that. So I'm going to type this in here and see if Joe has anything to add.
I was looking at different things. I don't see any recent press releases from them or whatnot. What I do see was Shanghai takes a 12.5% stake in GGG. So these guys right here, they're also traded on different markets. That's why. So they got the ticker symbol GGG, and that is in the market is this. Greenland, your Greenland stock chart. It's on Greenland. Their ticker symbol is GGG.AX. All right, so that was that at 12.5% stake. All right, so Greenland Minerals and Energy is positioned at the forefront of Greenland's emerging minerals industry. Since 2007, the company has been focused on delivering a world-class production center for specialty metals from the Limasquex complex in South Greenland. I don't know this word. It's Vangeld is the first several large-scale deposits to be delineated and is widely recognized as one of the world's largest resources of rare earth minerals, rare earth elements, as well as containing substantial resources of uranium and zinc. Managed by its first-class technical team, the feasibility studies on Vangeld are now well advanced, and Greenland's minerals and energy is firmly placed to become one of the world's largest and most cost-effective producers of specialty metals. Meanwhile, the search for new world-class minerals projects consistently continues. Welcome to the Evolution Project. Overall resource inventory is 1.01 billion tons, containing 593 million pounds U3O8 and 11.14 million tons of Trio, 2.25 MT zinc. Trio includes 0.37 MT heavy Rio, let's see, and then 0.84 MT yttrium oxide, which is all that stuff I don't really have any idea about because I'm not really familiar with all these kind of things. So with this one right here, I mean, a lot of the different research, I highly recommend going to their actual website to look at things because they have a lot of stuff over on their site, which is www.ggg.gl. And that's the Greenland Minerals and Energy Limited. As always, if you want to research the company's filings and whatnot, right on the Investors Hangout message board, just type in GDLNF right in the top right-hand corner. And then you can see the filings, the financials, the buy ratings, and the time and sales and whatnot, and recent news. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it over on that message board with the tens of thousands of like-minded daily investors that are using the site.
All right, again, 1180. Watch for a bounce off the 30-day simple moving average, 1180, and to push you past the 1253, 1350, and 15 support at 1180. will need to hold. I don't foresee a problem with that. I would just definitely keep an eye on it. If you get that volume, I really think that this was going to move. But over long term, I mean, it's nice and steady move. And great call by Palmstone. So again, GDLNF. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit subscribe and like right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. If there's any other hot stocks that you're following that you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.